so let's do a quick unboxing video for the Vivo V19 Neo. Let me check what's inside. So for the box, you get the usual stuff like the package, the so this is where the jelly case comes in, and a couple of manuals. The cord is also here, and the SIM ejector. It's the usual stuff. And let's check on the phone. So first off, let's look at the phone. It's a really nice, smooth plastic cover. And you also have 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras, and then there's the LED light. Front is the camera is here. The front camera you can see here. So there's no more pop-up camera here, which was the key feature from the Vivo V17 Pro. And then USB ports, the jack for the audio and headphones, and you also have volume controls here and the power button. They also got rid of the Google button from the last iteration, which is really nice because it's very confusing for me. So let's also check what's also in the box when you get the Vivo V19 Neo. You also have a very nice headphones with a nice tray and the wall charger. That's it. That's pretty much it. Let me just put it back here. We'll be doing a quick first impression feature for the phone, so keep in just we'll be doing a feature on the phone like the first impressions. So I really hope that you would like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see what we can do, and let's check on the features and the functions of the Vivo V19 Neo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.